In this guide, I'll show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your Mac or PC. First, simply use the link provided in the description box below this video. That link will effortlessly take you straight to the official Adobe website. Now, once you're there, choose your region and hit the Start Free Trial button. You will see a few choices: individual, business, or for students and teachers. For this guide, we'll pick the individual plan, which is perfect for a single computer. The business plan is available for teams with multiple computers. I'm selecting the individual option. This unlocks a 7-day free trial, and I also check the box for a 30-day trial of Adobe stock, which will provide us with 10 free videos or clips to use and keep, even if we cancel the trial later. Select that option and press Continue. Put in your email address and click to continue. You'll need to complete the form with your information, which includes your payment details. However, don't worry, you won't be charged until after the trial period has ended. Next, click Agree and Subscribe. On the following screen, you'll be prompted to create a secure password. You will then be directed to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, and then sign in using the same email you just registered. Once it's open, navigate to the Apps tab and install Premiere Pro from there. And just like that, Adobe Premiere Pro is installed and ready to use. You've successfully completed the installation process. Hope this was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.